Welcome to our quick guide on how to add a nickname to a chat on Messenger. If you've ever wanted a more personal touch in your conversations, this is the feature for you. Let's walk through it step by step so you can customize your chat in just a couple of taps. First, open the Messenger app and go to the chat where you want to add a nickname. You'll see the chat list on your home screen, and tapping on the conversation will open the chat window. This is where the magic begins because nicknames live inside the profile area of the person you're chatting with. Next, tap their name or profile icon at the top of the chat. This opens the chat's details panel, showing you options like chat themes, privacy settings, and more. You're looking for the nickname option, which sits among the profile related settings. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit or tap into the person's profile to access it. Tap on nicknames to start the customization. This option lets you create a personalized label for your friend that only appears in your chat. It's a fun way to keep things playful or more intimate depending on your relationship and preferences. You'll be able to see how the nickname will display in your conversation so you can adjust before saving. Choose your friend's profile in the list if you have multiple people in the chat. Some versions of Messenger will require you to select the specific contact you want to nickname from the chat's participant list. This ensures you're applying the nickname to the right person, especially in group conversations where several names might appear. Enter your new nickname and set it. Think of something light, meaningful, or simply silly, whatever fits your vibe with that person. Once you've typed it, confirm or save your changes. After saving, the nickname should appear in your chat with them, giving you a quick, personalized way to reference your friend every time you message. If you ever want to revert back, you can revisit the same nickname section and delete or change the nickname. It's flexible, so you can switch things up whenever you feel like it without affecting the other person's Messenger experience. That's all there is to it. A small tweak, but it can make conversations feel more like you. If you've got any other Messenger features you'd like to explore, drop a comment and I'll guide you through them.